Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stogger, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In today's Linux tip, we're going to look at Top, one of my favorite tools for examining performance on a Linux system. Want to pinpoint why your system is running slow? Top can shed a lot of light on that. Top provides stats on some of the most important performance measurements, allowing us to get an idea how busy our system is and why. To start Top, just type Top in a terminal window. As you can see, I've already got it running and my display is updating every 4 or 5 seconds. So what might we want to focus on? Well, we might want to look at which processes are using up the most CPU time. They'll be at the top of the list as here. We can also see who's running that process and what the process ID is. We can also see, if we look up here at the load levels, we can see how many processes are having to wait to get access to the CPU. These are 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute averages. The numbers here are all pretty close to 1, which means that there's generally always one other process having to wait before it gets running on the CPU. We can also look at how much memory is free, and we can see here it's roughly 2/3 of the memory on this system. Or we can look at how much swap is free, and it looks like all of the swap is free. If we look at the top here, we can see how many processes are running overall and how long the system has been up, which is almost 4 days. If you want to quit Top, you just type Q and that's it. If you want to run Top and just look at one user's tasks, you can type top-u followed by the username, and you'll just see the processes for that one particular user. I'll quit again. Now, here I'm going to run sudo top, and one of the reasons I want to do that is so that I have the privilege to kill any process that I want to be able to kill. Now, first, look at some options here. If you type Z, it's going to highlight in a different color the processes that are currently on the CPU. If I type C, it's going to give me full path names, like over here. And if I want to kill a task, I type K, and it's going to assume that I want to kill the one at the top of the list. So I can just hit return, and then it says it wants to send a signal, and I hit return again, and it goes ahead and kills the task. Top is one of the best commands for getting a quick view of how a system's performing, and when it's slow, pinpointing what's causing that slowness. Well, that's your Linux tip for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.